All right, so now I'm going to talk about the title slide requirements. First requirement is, of course, you need to have a title telling me what your presentation is on. All right. Second thing is, you're on the title, you're going to have a video from YouTube. The video must be cut down in size, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. And the video must have a drop shadow and must play automatically when the presentation is started. I didn't put this in here, but the video also needs to be muted because you will be the one talking and you don't want to have sound playing. You don't have someone talking in the background as you are presenting your idea and topic. All right, so let's go to the presentation. All right. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make that title slide. There's two ways to do it. For this title slide, you have two options. You can duplicate the first slide right here and then make this the title slide. To do that, you go once again up to slide, duplicate, and you can see I duplicated one of the slides here. All right. Now, once you're there, you want to remove a lot of the stuff that's already here. So you click on each thing, click on the text box, delete it, click on this box, delete it, and then all you have is this nice blank screen. All right. You, of course, need to change the title. So my focus is going to be TRX. I could also change it to like why we need TRX at our school or something like that. But I'm just going to name it TRX as my presentation. Now, I found my video already. This video here I found on YouTube. Hopefully you know how to do a search YouTube to find videos already. I typed in TRX exercises and I found one where they play 45 exercises in 9 minutes. So I think it's a great video to show so people can look in the background and see that really explains what TRX is just by watching the video. So to get this video here, all right, I have two options. I can go ahead and copy and paste title, all right, and then I go back to my presentation. I go up to Insert, Video, and then I'm going to search by pasting the title there. There's the video I was looking for right there. Now, that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is to do it by URL. This is actually the easier way, I think. You just go up to the URL at the top, copy the URL, and then go back to your presentation, and then you copy and paste the URL where it says search by URL. All right, before I do that, I just want to show you how to get here again. Go up to Insert, Video, and then I can search by just typing in like the name of the thing I'm searching for or by URL. And I'll type it in now. And now it pops up. Now you want your video to look nice. So I like to have mine centered. If you want to change it up and maybe put the video on this side and then put the title TRX or whatever you want to call it on this side, that's totally fine too. The requirement though is that you have the title and the video. So you could have the title over here if you want to change it up. Now, once your video is here, all right, you're going to go up to Formatting Options. Click on Formatting Options. You need to play the video, or I don't want to see the entire video play, all right? I want to see it cut down in size. Now, I don't care how much you cut it down in size, but when I click on Format, when I look at your title, I should see that there's some numbers in these boxes here. So I want to start mine. I don't want to hear this guy talk.
It's Max, and these are the 45 best TRX exercises.
I don't want to see this. This is what I want to see. So I pause it right there. That's where I want it to start playing. So I'm going to pause it right there, and then I go down to use current time. And it came in right at 1:13. I think I'm going to go to 12 seconds though. And then I'm going to go through and play till I get to a certain spot where I want the video to stop. Let's say it's right here. All right, I go to there, use current time, and that's where the video will end. So now I can see that you've cut the video down in size. Now, after that, all right, if I was just to present it right now, I would have to go and hit play, which is more work for
In
me.
this video, we're going to be going
All
over
right.
the 45.
I don't want that. So I want you to click on the video again. I want you to go to autoplay when presenting and click there. I also don't want to hear this guy talk. I want to hear you talk. So hit mute audio. So now look what happens when I hit present. The video is already going in the background. All right, but we're not done yet. I click on it, the video, and as soon as I do, I go to formatting options if this box isn't already up. All right, so once again, click on the video, go to formatting options, and then this section, this bar over here pops up. I also want to see a drop shadow. So I'm going to click on drop shadow, scroll down. Now, right now, you see no shadow at all. To create the shadow, first off, you need to add some distance to it. So now you're starting to see it. All right. But you're only seeing it down at the bottom. I want to change the angle. So now, you're starting to see a little angle on the drop shadow. See the drop shadow right here. I can make it darker or lighter by going this way. So now it's a really dark drop shadow, or I can make it lighter. And this makes it look like your video is sort of coming off the screen. All right, so that's why we do the drop shadow. All right, and then you can also change the radius of the drop shadow and the distance. So maybe I want to make it really, really big. All right, but you need to make it big enough for me to see. All right, and that's how you're going to do your title. Like I said before, all I need to see is a title and a video with a drop shadow and muted and auto-played, and I want to see that you're starting it. You know how to do the start and end time and change that. Okay. I don't care if the title's here. I don't care if you put the title on this side and the video on this side, but I need to see those things to get full credit.